32 degrees on a winter's day. Think about it for a second and feel the cool, cool breeze on your neck. And then think about it for a second. If there ever was a day that you should get